In this tutorial, I will show you how to send and preview forms. From the provider dashboard, you can access your active forms. In this example, there is one active form, but you may have more. You can create a new form by clicking on the yellow button on the right. From this provider dashboard, you can send an email to your clients requesting their information. By clicking the paper plane icon, you can enter an email address. Your client will receive an email with a link to your form. By clicking the preview button, you can view your form. Here you can access a permanent link to your form. You can copy it to your clipboard and paste it wherever you need it. This permanent link will never change while the form is active. Congratulations! You can now send and view active forms.